Encountering the dreaded error establishing a database connection in WordPress can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to diagnose and fix this error like a pro. This error occurs when WordPress cannot connect to your database, usually due to incorrect database credentials, a corrupted database, or server issues. Let's dive into the solutions. Step 1. Verify database credentials. First, access your wp-config.php file. It's located in your WordPress root directory. Check these credentials. (1) Database name, 2. Username, 3. Password, 4. Host, usually localhost. If any of these are incorrect, update them with the correct details provided by your web host. Step 2. Check your database server. Next, ensure your database server is running. Contact your web host or test the connection manually using a tool like phpMyAdmin or a command line interface. Step 3. Repair a corrupted database. If your database is corrupted, WordPress provides a built-in repair feature. Add this line to your wp-config.php file. Then, go to your website /wp-admin/main/repair.php to repair and optimize your database. Don't forget to remove this line after repairing your database for security purposes. Step 4. Fix hosting server issues. Sometimes, the issue lies with your hosting provider. Check if your server is down or experiencing high traffic. Upgrading to a better hosting plan might solve the issue if your site is outgrowing its current setup. Step 5. Check for corrupt core files. Replace corrupted WordPress core files by downloading the latest WordPress version from wordpress.org and uploading the wp-admin and wp includes folders via FTP. Step 6. Check your URL settings. In some cases, incorrect citral or home settings in your database can cause this error. Use phpMyAdmin to verify and update these values under the wp_options table. Step 7. Enable debug mode. If none of the above works, enable debug mode in WordPress to get detailed error messages. Add this line to your wp-config.php. This can help pinpoint the issue. And that's how you fix the error establishing a database connection in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.